Got hear of Feng Shui at home, but got hear of Feng Shui in car before or not? My name is Kieran. Welcome to Carro Super Hot Guide, and today I will share with you Feng Shui tips that I've consulted with my master. Follow to get more luck in the new year. After you see what you need for the Feng Shui, don't forget to try and win our servicing voucher worth $68 from Carro. Now I teach you how to increase positive energy in your car using crystals and symbols. For the ox this year, symbols good for you are the rooster, snake and rat. So you can put like a Mickey Mouse in your car. To increase positive energy, you should also put shungite or black obsidian crystals in your car. Some lucky symbols to have for the tiger are horse, dog or the boar, and crystals like jadeite or turquoise. For the rabbit, keep a sheep, boar or dog symbol in your car. You should also keep the yellow jasper and jadeite crystals for more luck this year. For the fierce dragon, you can paste stickers of the monkey, rat and rooster for maximum Huat. Crystals like hazing, black obsidian and shungite will help you. The snakes that want to Huat should keep symbols of rooster, monkey and ox. Also keep crystals like Huat or citrine in your car throughout the year. Horse, you're almost the same as snake. The crystal you should have in your car are quartz or citrine. Also put sheep, tiger or dog on your dashboard. For the meh, crystals like black obsidian and shungite can help your luck for the year. Keep soft toys of horse, rabbit and boar in your car. Next, we have the monkey. You only got one crystal, lapis lazuli. Your friends are the rat, snake and dragon. For the rooster, you can display figurines that represent the snake, dragon or ox in your car. Crystals like lapis lazuli and green aventurine can bring you good fortune. Feng Shui for the dog sign, you can keep tiger, horse and rabbit symbols in your car. Crystals that bring you Huat are black obsidian and shungite. For the boar, if you got budget, keep expensive silver or agate crystals in your car. But if no budget, can keep soft toy of tiger, rabbit or sheep. And finally, for the red zodiac, you got many crystals to choose from, like Super 7, Rose Quartz or Aurorite 23. Your good friends this year are dragon, monkey and ox. For everybody, you will Huat even more if you have Tianlu in your car. The Tianlu will help you guard wealth and eliminate unluckiness for the year ahead. Finally, all 12 are done. Now tell me, answer below and don't forget to follow us on all our social channels and win your free car servicing voucher from us. Thank you for joining me on the 3 episodes of Carro Super Hot Guide. I'm Kieran and from everyone at Carro, 恭喜发财，Huat啦！